Is there a way to save or download the live satellite view of my home for future reference?
Hello there, space enthusiasts and tech savvies. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: how to save or download the live satellite view of your home for future reference. Whether you want to monitor changes over time or you're just curious about the view from above, this guide is for you.
What do we mean by live satellite view?
When we talk about a live satellite view, we typically refer to a real-time or near real-time view of the Earth's surface provided by satellites. Platforms like Google Earth and Google Maps use a mixture of satellite images and aerial photography to provide detailed views. However, keep in mind that these are not live in the strictest sense of the word, but are rather composed of a multitude of images taken over time.
Can I download a live satellite view?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there isn't a method to download a truly live satellite view of any particular location, including your home. However, you can certainly capture and save images from satellite map services. While these images are not real-time, they can still provide you with a high-resolution view of your home as seen from space. Google Earth, for example, allows users to save high-resolution images of the map view on their screens.
How can I save images from satellite map services?
Saving an image from a satellite map service is typically a straightforward process. 1. Navigate to your home on the map service. 2. Align the view to your preference. 3. Take a screenshot or use the map service's built-in function to save an image, if available. Remember that the specific steps can vary depending on the platform you're using and the device you're on. While you may not be able to download a truly live satellite view of your home, you can still obtain high-quality images from space. These images can be an incredible resource, whether you're interested in geographical changes, architectural planning, or you just love the view. I hope this video has been helpful in clarifying how you can save these views for future reference. Enjoy exploring your home from the stars.